Welcome to the online training for Trimble's EC-CAD sheet metal. In this session, we're going to look at setting up round and oval duct and fitting couplings to be placed in your round and oval runs. You'll notice in this example here, if I zoom in into this piece of duct right here and I hover over this joint, that is a round duct coupling, and that is let me just hover over it on this side right here. You can see that's a round coupling duct. Now, when I move on down the line, when I come here to the elbow, here we have a fitting coupling. So we can set it up where we can do fitting couplings and duct couplings. Here, where the fitting goes to the duct, there is no couplings. So to set this up, you could come in here to Part Manager. You'd go to your configuration settings here. And you want to come over here and go to your allowances. And go into your round and oval connectors. And in the top right up here, you're going to see a little picture of a coupling, edit coupling info. So when we go ahead and click that, here's where we tell it where we want to put this coupling. Like you'll notice here, I have a duct coupling that I'm putting on a connector called big end and big end. So that's when the two pieces of pipe meet, it's going to insert a duct coupling. When I have the fittings, I have them small end, and that's going to pick up a fitting coupling. So this is where this information is being assigned to be put into those couplings. To put the size of the couplings in, that's done under your manufacturer's defaults. So again, you're back at the configuration settings, manufacturer's defaults, round defaults. So I'm going to open round defaults up. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go into go into my round. I'm going to go in here into couplings. And then here we have duct coupling, and we can give it the length, the bead, same thing on the fitting coupling. And that's where the coupling information comes from that loads into EC-CAD.
We hope you enjoyed this video. See what's next in our product tips playlist, or visit mep.trimble.com for even more product resources.